Hey guys, and welcome to another item shop. As always, we do have yellow jacket right here, plus the summer pack is still available. However, now we still have starflare with its pretty cool backbling. And one of my favorite skins is available as well right now, which was introduced in chapter 2 season 1, again with the perfect backbling. Let's not forget about this awesome wrap and the pretty cool harvesting tool, plus the burning beast glider. Let's not forget about the female version with the perfect backbling as always, and the harvesting tool to go along with the skin, plus the wrap. And yes, Commando from season 1 is back. Whiteout is also available with its awesome backbling. And one of those pretty cool wraps is also available at the moment. Let's not forget about all our emotes, which does include half a seat and dream feed. Anyways, that would be it for this item shop. If you guys have any questions, comments, you guys can write down here in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.